Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to throw a parkour party in Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There's new event in Heartopia, and as you can see here that one of the challenges is joining a parkour party, and you can create your own party. First, you're going to talk to Bob and buy this special furniture from this update. You can scroll down and you will find the starting rock. You can purchase it, and don't forget to buy the finished rock as well. And you're going to go back to your home, and we're going to build gameplay blueprint. Okay, go to your watch menu, and you're going to select blueprint, this one, and select the gameplay blueprint on the top right corner. And you're going to select empty blueprint and edit it, select still build, and then we're going to build a parkour. All right, and I'm going to place the starting rock here. We're going to go to the furniture menu, go to the game section and place the starting rock. And after you place the starting rock, you can add obstacles to make it more fun. I'm going to place here guys, and I'm going to build the obstacles. Wait. Done for the obstacles, and don't forget to add the finish rock. This is my finish rock. You can go back to the furniture menu and go to the game section and place the finish rock. And after that, you're going to complete the solo build. You can click on the complete menu, and we're going to do a verification guys to test the gameplay. You're going to click on the verification and click on start verification, and then you can practice how you can finish the obstacle. Done. I've already passed the obstacle and the verification is successful. And then we're going to go back. And if you want to throw a parkour party, open your watch menu and select party. And you're going to select the parkour party, select parkour party blueprint, and you're going to throw a party. Okay guys, and that's how you can create parkour party in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.